Yo, 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 yo. So I made some progress. I figured some stuff out. This shoulder's really messing me up. It's leading to like headaches back in here too. I finally figured it out. So this one's higher than my left. If I were to pull it down, it explains the headaches, like tension headaches. So if I pull it down, it's more even. I just got a text. That's what's probably messing up my chest too, because this is probably all out of balance. That's why this one's bigger. So this shoulder is my problem, and I finally figured it out. So now I gotta fix it. So what I'm doing is I'm stretching it. I don't know if you can see this, but this arm's higher. So I'm gonna like make it more dramatic. This is what it looks like. So I've got to pull this shoulder down. When I pull this one down, I don't feel a stretch. But when I pull my right one down, I feel a stretch. So I don't just do it with this, I use weight too. I'm gonna probably step it up to maybe 185. I'm gonna start 135. I've been doing 95. I think it's time to ramp it up. I'm doing snatch grip. So it's wide grip on the bar. And when I can't hold it any longer, I'll go in here so it's easier. I'm still trying to get that stretch. Also, if I can hit my chest with an exercise, that'll make it similar. They look pretty good though. What I've been doing is doing push-ups. Really, really slow push-ups. So let's get it. Please don't fall. All right. I'm doing both ways. It's gonna be hard to get my whole fucking thing. Alright, so this is what I've been doing for my chest to really hit it. Because when I do regular push-ups, my stronger side just really takes over. So when you do negatives, you're really focusing on that weaker side, merely make it push its own weight. My face is really red. Oh, okay, so I'll go for like 10. I think I did 3 or 4. Sorry for the close up. So I'm really feeling it right now in here. I'm gonna hit the whole body in there. When I'm pushing, I want to get this part really involved. That's where I want to feel most of the tension in my hands. Add this one in there too. So these 3. Let's see what that looks like. That kind of hurts. So what I do is I just stuck them in. I don't know. Good to try it out. I do the negatives for my legs too. So deadlift. I'll do it. I'll do it slow, as I was doing like one of my other videos. Just really feel it. You're gonna feel it in your weaker side. I think that's all I wanted to talk about. I'll try and get me doing exercises. In the gym at some point. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention doing pull-ups as well. I was doing these, now I'm switching to these ones, weighted pull-ups. Because that'll get my forearms. This one's bigger, like this, my left one. It's bigger than my right. We're 6 minutes in, okay. I think that's all I wanted to talk about. Oh yeah, if you got messed up abs, my right side's smaller because when I was playing baseball or golf, that's what I'm using those abs to pull. So I'm starting to swing the bat and the golf club from my opposite side to get my weaker abs involved. So yeah, rewatch this a couple times. There's a lot of good nuggets in there.